Hello everyone, I am nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFund. Most awaited festival season of India just got over and people across the India celebrate this season. But some people get into guilt of weight gaining as party season and wedding season is knocking the door. So now what you should do? Being a nutritionist, I will give you some simple tips that will help you a lot. Keep water in copper vessel for overnight and drink it in the morning in empty stomach. Doing that, mineral will get leached into the water and that will help with the digestion. And also it will help to delay the signs of aging like fine lines. But don't overdo it because overdoing it may harm you also. Add curd in your daily diet. As it's a good probiotic and will help with digestion. You can add curd in your breakfast or lunch if you are not comfortable in adding it in dinner. But if you are comfortable with having curd in dinner, then you can have it in dinner also. Add colorful vegetables and leafy vegetables in your daily diet. You don't need to add some exotic vegetables to add some color in your diet. You can add cucumber, you can add carrot, you can add tomato, you can add onion to add some colors in your diet. Make a salad of those and have it, that's enough. And for leafy vegetables, you can have palak ki sabzi or methi ki sabzi also you can have. Keep yourself hydrated. So for that you need to track your water intake. Drink at least 3 liters of water in a day. You can add some soups also in your diet to have some water. Add fruits in your diet. We all know that an apple a day keeps a doctor away. So add fruits in your daily diet, at least have 1 fruit in your mid-morning time. And also you can do one thing, you can add some vitamin C rich fruits like citrus fruits, guava, amla, kiwi fruit, those you can add. If bloating is high, then you can add jeera and fennel water, a glass of jeera and fennel water. How to prepare it, for that check out the description box and the first comment, as I already have made a video about that and I will share the link also. Have some healthy foods but do not starve, as starving is not going to help you, it will only slow down your metabolic rate. So have some foods just like less oily and less spicy food. And also those tips I shared with you, incorporate those in your daily life. I think those are very simple tips and very easy to incorporate in your daily routine, even if you are very busy also. So follow those and do some yoga. Do some yoga or after dinner walk, that also help you a lot. No need to do it for 1 hour, 2 hours, no. Half an hour. If you have time, then do it for half an hour. If you don't have time, do it for 15 minutes after dinner. The walk after dinner for 15 minutes. And you can do some yoga also in the morning. If you have time and you can do it, then do some yoga. That also will help. And if you still haven't subscribed to this channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and hit the bell icon right next to it. And if you still haven't followed NutriFund over Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then you can follow over there also. Link is in the description box. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.